Hello guys, we are here in Imperial Appliance Plaza in Butuan, and let's check out some appliances in here. This one is 20,900 cash, but if not cash, 24,995. And then monthly will be 1,750. Alright, 20,900 double door. Okay, let's check the freezer. The freezer, this is inverter. So it's energy saver. So let's check the freezer. Okay, nice. And then the down you can check also. You can put some vegetables, fruits, anything. Poultry or out tray, fish, eggs, and some stuff in here. So the price is 20,900. Let's check the whole body of the refrigerator. Okay. Now this one, oh no price. Let's check another one. This one is single door, and then the brand also is LG. So single door LG, and let's check the price. Oh, it's 4,500 cash, but if not cash, you need to pay 15,995. Let's check inside. Single door. Oh, it's a freezer, not a. It's a freezer. Freezer, all freezer. Single door. So the price of this one is 14,500. The brand is LG. This one has no price. This one has no price, LG. But this one, it's 12,900 in cash. But if not, you need to pay 14,995. It's single door. Single door. Let's check the inside. The freezer is here, and then you can put some stuff down like vegetables, fruits. You can put some eggs in here. Okay, the price of this one is 12,900 pesos. Single door. This one is really large. It's really. See that one. It's double door. Can see the brand is Samsung, and the price is 59 if not cash, and 42,500 cash. So let's check inside. So this is really nice. See, it's one door, and let's open the other door. Wow, this is really huge. The price is 42,500 pesos. Well, let's check some small ones here. We have 11,500 pesos. And then the brand is Sharp. It's double door. I mean, one and then two. It's cheaper. Let's check the freezer. Freezer. Down. Then again the price is 11,500 cash, and then 12,998 is not cash. The brand is Sharp. And this one also is another Sharp here. The price is 14,790 cash, and then 19,998 if not cash. So this one. Let's check the freezer. Okay. Here, the freezer, and then let's check the you can put some vegetables, fruits, anything in here. So this is 14,790. And then this one is 16,000 pesos. 16,000 pesos. And then the brand is Sharp. It's bigger than the other one. This one is bigger than 14,000. So let's check what is inside. Let's check. The handle is in here. See? Sharp refrigerator. So let's open. Oh, this is nice. Sharp. Sharp, 16,000 pesos. This one is a little bit bigger. The same also. Brand is Sharp. And then 18,000 cash. If not cash, 23,000 pesos. 23,908 if not cash. But if you have money to pay it full, so it's only 18,000. You can save more. So let's check what is inside. Okay. And let's check down. So it depends on the customer what brand they want, but you can really compare the prices. So we have also here Toshiba, the brand, and then the price is 15,350 cash, but not cash, 21,995, and then monthly is you need, yeah, down payment and then monthly 25 months. You need to pay 2,495 down payment, monthly 780 for 25 months. Let's check. This is the freezer, and then this is So the brand is Toshiba. Price is 15,500, 15,350. Toshiba. And then we have here beside a smaller Toshiba, and then the price is 13,850 cash. But if not cash, 18,995. So let's check inside. Okay, the freezer, and then down. So Toshiba, 13,800. So let's look. Okay, that is the 13,850 pesos Toshiba. This one is bigger Toshiba. And the price is 20,500 cash, 28,995 if not cash. So let's check the whole body of the refrigerator. Okay, that is the Toshiba 20,500. Okay, let's check the freezer. This is the freezer. Okay, and then let's check also down. Okay, alright, this is the Toshiba 20,500. We have another brand in here. It's Condura. The price is 19,100 pesos cash, 23,217 if not cash. Condura. So 19,000. Condura. Okay. Let's check the freezer. Oh, nice. Okay. This is the freezer of the Condura, 19,100 pesos. Let's check down. Ooh. Okay. Brand is Condura, 19,100 pesos. And then we have here another Condura. It's bigger than the other one. Price is 21,000 cash, 25,439 if not cash. Let's check the whole body. Okay, this is the Condura 21,000 pesos. Let's check the, oh, I thought it's the freezer. So this one, you can put some stuff in here, vegetables, eggs, fruits, and the freezer is down. Wait. Oh, not the freezer actually. Oh, it's the freezer. It's the freezer. It has a very huge freezer. This one. And then down here is, you can put some stuff. So this one is only 21,000 pesos for this one. And then next is Condora. Price is 18,750 cash. If not cash, 23,220. So this is the look of the 18,750 Condora refrigerator. Let's check what is inside. Oh, the freezer is here. Okay. And then down. No, it's not glass actually, but still nice. Okay. So that's the 18,700 Condora refrigerator. So we have here 18,750, and we have also here 18,750, but not the same. It's same brand Condora, but I think it's a bit different. Yeah. Try to compare. So let's check with the 18,750 refrigerator. I mean, this is the freezer, and down is okay. Oh, this is glass. This is glass. Ah, I know the difference. The same price, the same brand, but look at the inside. It's glass. But the other one is a little bit bigger. Oh, I mean, taller. See? Yeah, almost the same. Same brand, same price. Same brand, same price. And the last one we have here, Condora 7,750 cash, 22,105 if not cash. Let's check. Refrigerator, I mean freezer. Oh, not glass. Down. Yeah, this is not glass. Okay. So that is the Condora 7,750. Pandora 7,750 pesos only. Oh, sorry, this is the last one. Last one is Condora 16,750 pesos cash, 20,583 if not cash. See? Let's check inside. Oh, this is glass. Woo-hoo. Nice. And then down. Oh, nice. Yeah. This is the Condora 16,750 pesos only. Okay, that's all. I hope you guys have in mind what refrigerator will you choose. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.